You know when your Wi-Fi suddenly drops from 5 bars to reconnecting? That's exactly how some people run. Slow, lagging, and buffering in real life. But today, we're fixing that. Because I'm giving you 5 explosive running drills that will increase your speed, your power, and your athletic ability faster than your Wi-Fi can disappoint you. These are the same drills athletes use to develop real acceleration and real top-end speed. And if you follow them properly, you'll move lighter, react quicker, and sprint like you secretly installed a turbo engine in your legs. Before we begin, understand this. Speed isn't just about moving your legs fast. Real speed comes from the way your body interacts with the ground, your force, your posture, your hip flexor strength, your stride frequency, and your ability to stay elastic. These 5 drills build all the foundations you need to become genuinely faster. All right, let's begin. Drill 1. A-skips. A-skips might look simple, but they're one of the most powerful drills for improving your running form. They build rhythm, timing, and knee drive. The 3 pillars of efficient sprinting. Stand tall, lift one knee up to hip height, and hop lightly off the ground with each step. Your arms should move like a sprinter, elbows bent, hands going cheek to hip. Land on the balls of your feet and make the movement snappy, not slow or lazy. This drill trains your legs to strike the ground quickly and efficiently, which makes your stride smoother and faster. Do this for 20 to 30 meters, 2 to 3 rounds, staying tall and light on your feet. Drill 2. High knees into acceleration. This one is a monster for improving your stride frequency, basically how fast your legs can cycle. Start standing tall and begin driving your knees up quickly to hip height. Keep your arms moving fast and controlled. Stay on your toes and don't let your heels touch the ground. After 5 to 8 seconds of high knees, explode forward into a 10 to 15 meter sprint. The key is to transition smoothly. The high knees teach fast leg turnover, and the sprint lets your body apply that turnover at full speed. This drill builds hip flexor strength, improves your sprint posture, and activates the muscles that control front-side mechanics. The part of the stride that actually makes you fast. Do 4 to 6 rounds with full control. Drill 3. Bounds. Bounds are basically exaggerated running. They build horizontal power, the ability to push the ground hard and cover more distance with each stride. Start with a light jog, then step into a longer stride. Push off explosively, drive your opposite knee high, swing your arms aggressively, and cover as much distance as you can with each bound. Keep your chest up and maintain a slight forward lean so you don't lose momentum. The reason bounds work so well is because they develop elastic strength, the spring-like quality in your glutes, hamstrings, and calves. They improve your stride length and teach you how to put real force into the ground. Do 20 to 30 meters for 2 or 3 rounds. Drill 4. Wall drives. This drill is king when it comes to improving your acceleration form. Place your hands on a wall and lean forward at a 45-degree angle. Keep your core tight and your spine neutral. Now drive one knee up explosively, keeping your toes pulled upward. Quickly switch legs, like you're sprinting in place but holding the perfect acceleration angle. This drill teaches your body exactly how to position itself during the first 5 to 10 steps of a sprint, the steps that matter most. When you accelerate with the correct lean, you produce more force and you get faster instantly. Wall drives strengthen your glutes, improve posture, and make your first step off the line much more explosive. Do 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps per leg. Drill 5. Short sprint starts. This is where everything comes together. Choose any starting position, standing, split stance, falling start, or a 3-point stance. Lean forward, push hard into the ground, and take small, powerful steps for the first few meters. Keep your head down for the first 5 to 7 meters, then gradually rise as you build speed. These short sprints train your nervous system to fire faster. They activate your fast twitch muscle fibers, the fibers responsible for raw speed. They also teach your body how to apply all the rhythm, power, and angle work you practiced in the earlier drills. Do 6 to 8 short sprints of 10 to 20 meters, taking full rest between them so every sprint is explosive. And that's it. These 5 drills will transform your speed if you stay consistent. Your legs will feel lighter, your stride will feel sharper, and your acceleration will finally match the energy you think you have in your head. Stick with these, train smart, and before you know it, people are going to start asking how you suddenly became this fast.